How to find transit number in Bank of America. Let's get started. Today, we are going to show you how to easily find your transit number for the National Bank of Canada. Whether you are setting up direct deposits, automatic payments, or just need it for general banking inquiries, we have got you covered. First up, if you have a checkbook, finding your transit number is super simple. Just grab one of your checks, you will see a series of numbers printed at the bottom. The first set, usually 5 digits, is your transit number. This number is key for identifying your specific branch. No check, no problem. You can also find your transit number through online banking. Once you log in, navigate to your account details. Your transit number will be listed somewhere on the page, typically labeled clearly to help you identify it quickly. Another way to find a transit number is by looking at your bank statement. Whether you receive it by mail or view it digitally, your transit number should be visible with your auto account information. It's usually near the top or at the bottom of the statement. You can also use National Bank's website or mobile app. They often have a branch locator tool where you can find the transit numbers by searching for your branch with either your postal code or branch address. Well, this way you can easily find your transit number in Bank of Canada. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.